Welcome back to my channel. To my supporters, appreciate you all. To my channel members, thank you guys so much for the love and support. If you're new here, welcome. Please tap the subscribe button and join the family. Today I'm making a nice vegetable dish. Can be vegan as well. Here I have some pumpkin. I'm going to wash these, peel and dice in chunks, and we move on. And the instruction will be on the screen, so do keep on watching. Thank you guys so much. See you at the end of the video, guys.
Yeah.
Okay guys, we have come to the end of this video, and this is my finished dish, and I serve this with some nice shelly white rice. Perfect for a meatless Monday meal. And this is my third time trying this recipe. Feel free to add potatoes to this as well. Very delicious guys. And if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so at this moment. And another important thing guys, please put your notification bell on. And until next time guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.